When it comes to enhancing the appearance and functionality of your Dallas home, the type of windows you choose plays a significant role. Awning windows are becoming increasingly popular for residential properties due to their unique design, versatility, and aesthetic appeal. These windows, which are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom, offer a distinct style that can enhance the architectural beauty of any home. In this article, we'll explore the aesthetic advantages of awning windows and why they may be the perfect choice for homeowners in Dallas looking to update their home's design, increase natural light, and improve overall curb appeal. Elegant and contemporary look. One of the main reasons homeowners in Dallas choose awning windows is their elegant, contemporary appearance. Unlike traditional sliding or double-hung windows, which operate in a horizontal or vertical direction, awning windows open outward from the top, creating a unique visual effect. Their sleek, narrow profile complements both modern and traditional homes, adding a touch of sophistication to any space. The design of awning windows works well in a variety of architectural styles, from mid-century modern to contemporary and even craftsman-style homes. Whether you're designing a minimalist urban loft or a charming suburban bungalow, awning windows can elevate the aesthetics of your home by giving it a clean, streamlined look. Their subtle design makes them an excellent choice for homeowners who want to add a modern touch without overwhelming their home's exterior. Maximizing natural light. Awning windows allow an abundance of natural light into your home, brightening your interior spaces and creating an airy, welcoming atmosphere. The unique design of the window, with its top hinge feature, allows for larger glass panes, which means you can let in more sunlight compared to other types of windows. In Dallas, where the sunny weather is a common feature, taking advantage of natural light not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your home but also improves the overall ambiance. The more natural light you let into your rooms, the more spacious and inviting they will feel. The extra sunlight that comes in through awning windows can also help your home feel more connected to nature, allowing you to enjoy the beauty of the outdoors even when you're inside. Enhanced views and ventilation. One of the standout features of awning windows is the way they provide unobstructed views while offering excellent ventilation. Because the window is hinged at the top and opens outward, it allows you to capture the beauty of your Dallas landscape without compromising the view. The top hinge design ensures that the window can remain open even during light rain, allowing for consistent airflow and ventilation, which is ideal for the warm, humid summer months in Dallas. Awning windows are particularly well suited for rooms with limited space, such as kitchens, bathrooms, or small bedrooms, where you want to maintain a clean and open aesthetic. Since they don't swing outward like casement windows, awning windows are less likely to obstruct walkways or patios. Their ability to open while still protecting your interior from the elements makes them a functional, stylish choice for homes in areas with varying weather patterns. Versatile placement. Another reason homeowners are drawn to awning windows is their versatility in placement. These windows can be installed in a variety of locations, including as standalone features or as part of a larger window arrangement. You'll often find awning windows installed in areas like kitchens, living rooms, and basements, where natural light and ventilation are needed but traditional window styles might not fit. Additionally, awning windows are frequently used in combination with larger picture windows, as they allow for controlled ventilation without interrupting the unobstructed views offered by the large, fixed windows. For homes with high ceilings or unique architectural features, awning windows can be installed higher on the wall, offering privacy while still allowing light to flood the space. Their adaptability makes them ideal for almost any room, from the living room to the attic, ensuring that your home's design stays cohesive and visually balanced. Energy efficiency and functionality. While aesthetics are an important consideration, awning windows also offer practical benefits that make them a functional addition to your home. When closed, awning windows create a tight seal, helping to improve energy efficiency. The window's design allows it to close securely, preventing drafts and reducing heat loss during the cooler months in Dallas. This contributes to a more comfortable living space and can even lower your energy bills. Moreover, the outward opening design of awning windows makes them easier to clean, as the window swings outward, allowing you to access both the inside and outside glass without the need for ladders or special tools. This ease of maintenance makes them a convenient and long-lasting option for homeowners who want a stylish window that is also functional and easy to care for. Increase curb appeal and home value. By upgrading to awning windows, you can significantly enhance your home's curb appeal. These windows give your home a fresh, modern look that can attract attention and increase interest from potential buyers. Whether you're planning to stay in your home long-term or you're considering selling in the future, awning windows are a great way to increase both the aesthetic appeal and value of your property. The unique look and practical benefits of awning windows make them an appealing feature for buyers looking for energy-efficient, functional, and attractive homes. Installing these windows can set your home apart from others on the market, making it more desirable to prospective buyers. Conclusion: awning windows are a stylish and practical choice for Dallas homes. Incorporating awning windows into your Dallas home's design not only enhances its overall aesthetic appeal but also improves functionality and energy efficiency. Whether you're looking to add a modern touch, increase natural light, or improve ventilation, awning windows offer the perfect combination of style and practicality. With their ability to provide unobstructed views, easy maintenance, and superior weather protection, awning windows are a great investment for homeowners looking to enhance their home's appearance and performance. Consider installing these windows in your Dallas property to enjoy the benefits of beautiful, functional, and energy-efficient windows for years to come.